Programmer, welcome to your coding channel Coding is Life. In this video, I'm gonna help you to make a simple registration form just using HTML code. At first, open your HTML editor. Now I gonna write a basic HTML format. If you are using Sublime Text, then type angle bracket HTML, then press enter. Otherwise, you will type all this code. I gonna write a registration form in between title now. To create a form, type form tab in body. Type table tag in between form, create first row with tr and td for table data. Where we put name and input type now. First I'm gonna write name, again type td, then type a following code, again type tr input text. Okay, now show the result. Again type tr for password field, then type td and write password. td again for input field of password. Now write a following code, input type equal to password. Input type equal to password. Password. Let's see how it's done here. You can see for only content name and password. Let's type some additional code for input box. Type placeholder equal to name for password. Placeholder password. Here you can see the changes after adding placeholder code. Inside the box, okay. Now add a code for gender. For that we have to write tr and td again, then write gender, create another td to male or female. td again. Write input type equal to radio and name gender. After that type male. Type radio and name gender. gender. Then type same code for female also. Radio and name, gender, and your type female. Okay, now let's see how it's done. Here you can see, wow, amazing. After that, type tr and td again for email. This is the shortcut for entering td and tr. Now type email and input type equal to email. Let's see how it's done. Wow, great. Oh, I forgot placeholder for email. Just write placeholder equal to email. Now it look little better. Now write here td for phone number. In between first td, I gonna write a list of country code. For this, write select tag. Select. And in between select, option tag. Where you can write a country code like +91 bdiya. Now select this line of code and copy and paste it 4 or 5 times. Okay. Now replace +91 with another country code like +977 for Nepal, 92774 and 9089. Okay. Now write following code for phone number. Input type phone, input type phone, and placeholder 9937. Okay, let's see how it's done. Wow, amazing. Oh, I forgot to write mobile number. Here I type mobile number in between td. Let's see. Amazing. Here you can see phone number with country code, and input field for phone number is available now. At last, TR and TD for a submit button. Here we write submit, input type submit, input type submit, submit, and value equal to submit. Finally, save this and see the result each web browser. Here you can see submit button is added. If you have any query on this video, then drop it on comment box. Please like and share this video to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.